我哋提供咗一個咧好古舊嘅建築物，你會接觸翻以往，咁然後喺嗰度再行過呢一條路徑。我哋咧就會提供青少年嘅音樂訓練啦。咁基本上咧，西洋音樂與及中國音樂並重嘅。咁其實呢個咧亦都相應翻呢個地點咧，佢本身係個建築物咧，亦都係中西兩種建築嘅風格。
Now, the government has this schemes for revitalization. The Hopper Mansion was included in the third batch of the revitalization scheme. The Hopper Music Foundation was set up so that we can bring music to the people. In this Hopper Mansion, we see that the building itself, built in 1930s, filled with all sorts of artistic decorations that was typical of that period. The use that we are going to put this into would be a music academy where students might be coming in to practice, to learn music within the setting of an old mansion. In order for the public to enjoy the music as well as enjoying the historic building. This is what we started to do, to have some music programs for the children as well as for youth.
音樂係有一種共通嘅語言，咁我覺得呢個咧都會令嗰個小朋友咧早一啲咧有一啲國際化嘅接觸。
The Vancouver Academy of Music is the largest music conservatory in Western Canada. We are really thrilled and honored to be strategic partners in the Hal Parr Music Foundation. Well, without a doubt, the location of the Hal Parr Mansion will be one of the most spectacular places in the world to study music. And to have music as the kind of catalyst that helps congeal all of those wonderfully interesting topics. And I think it'll be an incredible environment for young people to come to learn music, to learn about Hong Kong's history. What a fantastic place for them to develop and grow.
咁今次同虎豹合作嗰個項目咧，其實樂團就提供咗一個場地啦，俾佢哋喺嗰個訓練營嗰度入邊去排練啦。另外亦都有師資啦，亦都有一啲我哋嘅經驗大家去分享。我哋嘅理念咧就係話，其實接觸音樂嘅小朋友，音樂學習之外咧，其實亦都好注重佢一個人嘅一個成長。咁所以我哋着重嘅咧就係除咗音樂學習之外，仲有一個團隊嘅精神。呢個亦都係佢哋將來長大咗之後喺一個社會做事嘅時候都係非常之需要。呢
個小樂。
其實佢將來未必一定要成為一個音樂家、演奏者。其實係希望培養未來一啲社會嘅領袖。透過接觸藝術，佢哋可以知道點樣去欣賞一啲美感，無論佢哋係畫畫好、話劇好，咁甚至當然係音樂亦都好緊要。